Alright guys, so I have a few things that I need to check out and fix with the new glue gun that I got. I'm planning to fix this F-22 as well as my daughter here on the other side. Hope that little camera move didn't make you guys puke. But there's a cool pool table here that I bought a while back, and it broke, and I think I'm going to fix that with a glue gun. And then with the new soldering iron, there's a bunch of different projects that I need to work on, but one of the important ones will be to fix that famous antenna that I created a while back. Now it's hard to see in there, but anyway, it goes on top of one of the FPV helmets, and we'll see how that goes. And as you can see here, there's another FPV helmet right there that you see here. Lots of cool stuff I'm inventing, and hopefully we'll get this bird back in the air. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next.
Likey